Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Do you know there are 8 gates of Jannah? And today I am going to tell you the names of that doors. Gate number 1 is Babu Salah. This gate is for those who were punctual in observing their Salah. Gate number 2 is Babul Jihad. This gate is for those who participated in jihad. Gate number 3 is Babu Sadqa, for those who frequently gave sadqa. Gate number 4 is Babu Rayyan, for the ones who constantly fasted. Gate number 5 is Babul Hajj, for those who observe the annual pilgrimage, Hajj. Gate number 6 is Babul Khadman al-Ghaib. This door is reserved for those who suppress their anger and pardon others. Gate 7 is Babul Iman. This door is reserved for the entry of those who by virtue of their faith and saved from reckoning and chastisement. Gate number 8, Babul Dhikr, for those who excessively remembered Allah. So, if you want to enter to one of these doors, then do good deeds. May we all meet in Jannah, inshallah. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.